everybody, welcome back to Terrible at Fishing. Look what I got. And I've already put them on these. I want you to see something. Watch this. It disappears. Fog. This stuff really works. Not that I doubted it, but I've tried anti-fog stuff before. It didn't work. These, you rub on it for your glasses for 20 seconds, which I did. It lasts 1 to 3 days. Really soft cloth. Really soft. It smells like Armor All. And you can use it up to 600 times. One of these. So hit the link below. Take advantage of the discount. And I'll see you guys out on the water.